Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for this video I'm sharing my tips on my Cartier Love bracelets. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I purchased my Love bracelet. This is a rose gold one with 4 diamonds. I purchased this in Hawaii in 2017. Since then, I actually use it almost every day, and in a very short time period, I have taken it out because I was too fat and this is too small, and then I have to wait until right now and then putting it back on. With the sizing issues, I have another videos. Please check out my previous videos on the sizing topics, and today I just want to show you my tips and wear and tear on these particular pieces. First of all, this is a very classic piece, and you definitely, if you are at an anniversary point, you want to buy something good, fine jewelry pieces, timeless, elegant pieces, definitely go with this. But before you purchase, please watching my tips. First of all, you will get scratches, and as you see, since this is an everyday use, you will get a lot of scratches. Just go with it, don't think about too much. It will be, because it's a daily use item. That's first of all. And second problem I have is the screw problem. Some people say this is a very big problem. I am kind of okay, but it will happen to me a lot of times, and it will happen not because I'm pulling really hard. In the lifetime, whenever I was doing things, it will automatically be like this, and I have to manually put it back and screw the other side. The good thing about my bracelets is that it won't fall off my hand, because the other side, mine, is really secured. But that's definitely a concern. It will always break out. And another thing is that if you see this screw, it's not screwed very closely, but it's stuck here. When I use the thing to screw it back, it just does not, you cannot do it. It's not moving, it's just stuck here. I have to bring these bracelets back to the boutique to fix this, but because of everything going on right now, because of the coronavirus, I was not able to go put it back. Once everything going back, I definitely have to bring it back to the boutique and get it fixed. That's another thing. I have heard a lot of reviews and wear and tear. A lot of people have the issues with this bracelets on and off, and fall off issues. So watch out for that. You might will experience this on that. And the third tips is that if you're thinking about buying a rose gold, please think more. So I know rose gold is being very trendy. It's very classic from Cartier as well. That's why I purchased what I'm thinking. But now I kind of regret a little bit, because with the time, the more time passed by, the rose gold will eventually turn light color, almost like yellow gold. So it will turn yellow gold eventually. This is my yellow gold bracelets, just to compare. They are very, very close now. Their color is very, very close now. Let's put it this way. If you can see, you can hardly see. You still can see it's rose gold, but it's the color already tarnished. It's almost like yellow gold now. So there is a fun story. Last year, going back to the boutique, I was trying to buy a love ring to match with my bracelets. When I was buying the ring, the sales associate said, "Yellow gold, right?" I was like, "No, rose gold. I want to match with my bracelets." And they said, "Really? This is rose gold?" They themselves, the sales associate at the boutique themselves, even feels like it's more close to a yellow gold now. So, and then they bring out a new rose gold ring and also bracelet. When you compare, this one is definitely more matching to the yellow gold ones now. That's about it. Thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to like these videos, and also if you have questions, comment down below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye guys.